This is a weird one. Look, I just put some milk in the microwave to make some hot milk for some camp coffee, and it turned to cheese. There's the whey on top. And I'm going to pour it away and look underneath. Oh my god, I've actually got cheese. What kind of cheese do you call that, Pete?
Soft white cheese.
Soft white cheese.
Cheesy kind of cheese.
What's that stuff you make? My son-in-law makes cheese in a pan, and it's exactly the same as that. Look.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same. So if you want to make yourself some quick soft cheese, microwave some regular milk in a microwave for 2 minutes, and there you go, you've got some cheese. Simple. Here is the cream that we made by accident in the microwave by just boiling up some milk for 2 minutes. And now what we're going to do, we're going to strain it into this thing. I've got my son-in-law here, and he's used to making this kind of thing, but not in this method. He usually makes it in a saucepan. So we're going to pour it into this sort of fine mesh net bag, and we're going to drain it out. Okay, so there's the cheese. Look at that. Is that like a kind of ricotta?
Mm-hmm.
So there you've got soft cheese. Look at that. Yeah, I'll put seasoning on that as well. That's just comments coming over from the peanut gallery over there. Okay, so there we've got a piece of cheese. We'll come back to this in a little while. So now we've found a better solution. We're going to do it like that. We're going to let it drip and drip and drip. And we were trying to figure out why did this suddenly turn to cheese? And the consensus of opinion is there must have been some lemon in that cup, a little drop of lemon. So if you wanted to guarantee turning your milk into cheese, just drop a bit of lemon in there, yeah? How much lemon do you reckon?
Yeah, that's correct.
How much lemon do you think?
Or some vinegar, white vinegar.
White vinegar, or what, like a teaspoonful, or is that too much?
Yeah.
Any kind of
teaspoon.
half a teaspoonful of that, and then you can make your own cheese like that. I mean, how hard is that to do? Right, so it's been a couple of hours now, so we're going to take it out and see how this worked. Peter's going to do the honours. So this is like a kind of ricotta, I guess, is it?
Mm-hmm. Cottage cheese, put some salt, pepper. And have a bite.
What, that whole thing?
Oh, take a piece. Help yourself.
Let me just try that bit. It's cheese. Very plain, but it's okay.
Creamy.
Yeah, it's creamy. It's okay. Okay, so we've actually made cheese purely by accident, but it tastes okay. It's very, very mild, very plain. Bit of salt and pepper. You could put some chives on this or some chili flakes or whatever. It's cheese. I'm amazed. Just from microwaving some milk in a cup.